What's up, everybody? And today we are going to drive the drift car. I think the last time I did was when I did the unboxing one. But yeah, sorry it's been a very long time. I haven't got to fix the RC car yet. You're like, seriously? Yeah, it's quite true. Yeah, we're gonna try to get one RC car down. I got a brand new filmer. Okay. Yay, so exciting. Hopefully she can get some really good shots. But yeah. Yep, we did a few things. I didn't really get to play the RC car. But yeah. See you at the bottom. Alright, here we are. So as you can see, this is my RC car driving around. Now you might be thinking, why are you just driving other people's cars? Well, that's my friends. Now, as you can see, this is a very fun car to drive. If you want to get one of your own, just go ahead and get one from Hypergo. It's actually called Hypergo. So go ahead and write down on a piece of paper if you need to remember. Or if you're an adult watching this, go ahead and just search it up now. Yep. This is a very, very cool RC car. It's very, very tough, that's for sure. We have bashed this thing, tested this thing, and we have multiply crashed this thing. I forgot to mention, before when I used to drive RC cars, well, when I had this RC car, I went and drove it. So one day, I was driving this RC car, and the wire was hanging. The charge hot wire, and it was dragging against the concrete. And this is when our road wasn't paved, so this means that it's not really good. So when it was dragging, it pulled the whole plug off. So I'm just seeing this. I'm like, what is that? So I take it off, and then I don't know what to do. So I'm just hanging, and then soon I see sparks, and then woof. There was just a huge fire. Well, not a huge fire, but like a fire on the plug. Yes, this is very true. It was happening right where that tree was. My filmer is standing right on it right now. And it is crazy that right now it's like that it's gone. The tree's gone by now, but yep, that's it. Yes, this is my sister helping me film this. My other filmer is Chessie, by the way. She'll show you at the end of the video. As you can see, I've been punching my sister with my RC car and her feet a lot of times through this whole thing. As you can see, I just drove through it. I drove through it 2 times, but sorry that I didn't film any videos recently. As you can see, I just crashed. Now, this is a very fun RC car, that's for sure. As well as a metal skid plate, which is very cool. And, yeah.
Do it fast! I got it!
If you also want a different RC car, kind of like this one, just go to hypergo.com and there's multiple options. I would prefer the one that looks like a ride car. Well, that thing's like a beast. I mean, if I'm being completely honest, one day, not one day, you've seen my other videos. Did you see some of my other videos where, just big jump and crash? Yeah, kind of like that one. That's how tough it is. I don't know if that actually has a metal plate. I think it does. Yeah, it does. As you can see, I'm about to go ahead and drive through the bike with my RC car.
No?
Any minute now.
I lost it. Okay, there.
Hi everybody, but this is the end of the video. This is our filmer. Let's see if she did a good job.
I'm the one who did the bike.
Oh my god, yes. Well, everybody to like and subscribe, and peace!